What's up, fine folks? It's A.L.E. Flores here again with OrlandoVacation.com, and I've got more tips and tricks for you. Things to do in October in Orlando, that's what we're talking about this time. So you want to find out all the fun things to do in Orlando in October? Well, boy, we got you covered. Join us as we go over some awesome Orlando events in October, but hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you can get notified when these videos pop up. First things first. What's the weather looking like? In Orlando, the weather in October starts to cool off just a bit. It'll generally be warm during the day, but some days can get cool enough for a light sweater, especially at night. Most days will be sunny and clear, but we are still in the rainy season, so keep that in mind. As for the crowds, well, they tend to fluctuate at the theme parks during October. During the day, the parks aren't usually too busy. However, at night, especially at the parks that have Halloween events going on, it can get crowded. Each theme park in Central Florida celebrates Halloween for different age ranges, so there's something for everyone. You know what? Let's start with the ones that are suitable for all ages. Okay, SeaWorld Orlando. Their Halloween event is Spookytacular. It's not only spooktacular, it is literally spooktacular. That's the name. It runs on weekends until Halloween and is included with your park admission. All guests are welcome to dress up in costumes for the event. During Spooktacular, there are, of course, trick-or-treat trails where you can get all your candy and your sugary treats. Spooktacular also includes dance parties, face painting, and character interactions. Next, Legoland Florida's Brick or Treat in Winter Haven. It is a Halloween event with tons of candy, all-new show lineup, never-before-seen exclusive Lego characters, and an all-new cinematic experience to create the ultimate family Halloween celebration. Children are encouraged to dress up in their Halloween costumes. Honestly, it's an overall great time, and the best part, this event is included with a day ticket. Just know that it only runs on select nights through October. And don't think we forgot about Disney. You can't. Over at Disney, we have Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. This party is a separately ticketed event in Magic Kingdom. It is Halloween themed with treat trails, live entertainment, fireworks, themed snacks, dance parties, and special meet and greets. Now, what do I mean by special meet and greet? It means you're only going to be able to find some certain characters during Mickey's Not So Scary. It's pretty sweet. Families are also encouraged to dress up. However, if you're over the age of 14, you can't cover your face, okay? Now, this event is very popular, so you do want to make sure you get your tickets early. Now, so far, all of the events we talked about are great for kids and families alike. Now, let's dive into some events that are catered to more mature audiences for Halloween. Over at Universal Orlando is Halloween Horror Nights, or HHN. This event is dubbed the world's premier Halloween event. And trust me, it got that title for a reason. 10 haunted houses, 5 scare zones, 2 live shows, and some of Universal Studio Florida's most exciting attractions. It's no wonder it's the world's premier event. Whether you're a fan of all things horror, scared of everything, in it for the yummy snacks, or being forced to go unwillingly, it's sure to be a night you will not forget. Now, Halloween Horror Nights is a separately ticketed event and is only available on select nights from early September until Halloween, so make sure you get your tickets early. If you're still itching to get spooked, both SeaWorld Orlando and Busch Gardens Tampa host Hallow Scream. Hallow Scream is similar to that of Halloween Horror Nights. This event is catered to more mature audiences. Here, guests can evade angry haunts as they rampage through scare zones, seek shelter indoors, only to find you've entered a house of horrors. Deepen the thrill with a nighttime coaster ride, quench your thirst for fear at a fiendishly interactive bar with the monstrous electricity of a live show. Honestly, if you've never been to Hallow Scream and you love getting scared out of your pants, this is the place to go. So wear a belt. They frown upon you going pantsless. Hallow Scream is also a separately ticketed event and only available on select nights until Halloween. Alright, if you want to escape the Halloween events, guests can head over to Epcot. During October, there is the International Food and Wine Festival. Here, there are kiosks with food and wine from all around the world scattered about for guests to try. And don't worry, there are no spooks here, so you don't have to worry about getting jump scared. Honestly, this is the perfect place if you're a foodie or just looking to try something new. The Food and Wine Festival is held every day in Epcot World Showcase. Now, keep in mind that the extra kiosks for this event typically open in the early afternoon, which honestly makes this perfect for the day after those late night Halloween events. Now that we've gone over Orlando events in October, what should you pack? Now, we talked about the weather in Orlando. In October, there can be some hot days and some cold days, so it's best to be prepared. Here are a few things you should consider packing during your trip to Orlando. A swimsuit. Even if there happens to be a small cold front coming in, it can still be warm enough for the pool. Plus, a lot of places have heated pools, so bring a swimsuit. Ooh, a jacket. Occasionally we'll have some cold fronts come in during October, so bring a jacket or two to keep warm on those chilly nights, especially if you're going to the Halloween events. Hello, nighttime. Hats and sunglasses. Even if it's cooler, the sun is still out in full force. Having a hat or a pair of sunglasses can help keep the sun out of your face so you can still enjoy your day out and about. Ooh, shoes. As always, wear comfortable shoes for trekking through the parks. This is the most important thing we can mention. We know those sandals look super cute, but you're gonna be really sad at the end of the day. Trust us, comfy shoes is the way to go. Poncho and umbrella. And of course, regardless of what month it is, it's still Florida, and Florida is known for random rain showers, so bring a poncho or an umbrella just in case. All right, that's it for packing. If you're looking for more tips and trips for your next Orlando vacation or just need help planning, be sure to check out our website at orlandovacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.